Many businesses are uncertain about AI. They're not sure whether it's relevant to their operations, whether the effort is worthwhile, and whether they're too early, late, or somewhere in between. The AI audit consultation exists to address this uncertainty quickly and hopefully proportional to the business's needs. Rather than asking you to commit time or budget up front, we use a short conversation to understand your operating context at a high level, discuss whether an audit would add value, and confirm whether our approach is appropriate to that outcome. So what this call isn't is not a product demonstration. It's not a discussion of particular AI tools or vendors. It's not a generic presentation about what is AI or about AI in general, or it's not a sales call designed to close. We're not attempting to design solutions on this call, and we're not going to recommend specific technologies. The call just exists to decide whether further work is justified. So the typical agenda for the 15 minutes would be, firstly, we're going to just ask a small number of questions to set context, such as like what type of business do you operate, where operational effort is currently concentrated, and why are you entering into this conversation with us? What prompted the conversation? And second, we're going to list for kind of operating patterns. So as you talk about your business, we'll be looking for operating patterns, not necessarily problems. We're paying attention to things like coordination complexity, administrative load, recurring communications, and decision bottlenecks. Then third, we'd briefly explain how an AI audit would typically be scoped in a business like yours and explain why an AI audit in actual fact may not necessarily be appropriate if that's the outcome that we believe. So if you're exploring AI and want to do so with judgment rather than urgency, to be strategic rather than just jump in because you think you're missing out, the 15-minute call is designed to help. It's short, structured, and practical. And it exists to give you clarity, not to sell you something that you're not ready for.